What can you expect from a one-bedroom apartment in Canada? This video may answer all those questions that you have. Just stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to give you a tour of my cozy one-bedroom apartment here in beautiful city of Fredericton, New Brunswick. So if you're thinking of moving here, stick around because I'll show you everything you need to know. So as you can see, it's a highly secure way of entering the apartment. Either you dial the number of the apartment and then I will get a phone call to accept it, or if I have a fob, I can press and then the door opens. Before we go to the apartment, let me show you the amenities that we have in this building. इस बिल्डिंग में आपको गार्बेज रूम भी मिल जाता है, इसमें आप अपने हफ्ते भर का, हर 2 दिन का, 3 दिन का जो भी है गार्बेज यहाँ फेंक सकते हो। फिर इधर आओगे तो ये लॉन्ड्री रूम है जिसका मैं आपको टूर अभी थोड़ी देर में दूंगा, आप अभी ऐसे देख लो। और इसके और आगे जाओगे तो लेफ्ट साइड में जिम है जो कि छोटा है बट इफेक्टिव है। इसके और आगे आओगे तो यहाँ पे एंटरटेनमेंट सेंटर रूम है। बेसिकली इट्स नथिंग बट आप अगर किसी को घर में बुला के कुछ फंक्शन है या कुछ पार्टी देना चाह रहे हो तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे सोफे लगे हैं, एक छोटा सा किचन है, एक आगे टीवी रूम भी है। तो इट्स ऑल फॉर दैट अगर आप थोड़ा सा एक पार्टी थ्रो करना चाहते हो, बट इसमें कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं लगते हमारे। वी ऑल्सो गेट वन स्मॉल की, इट्स एक्चुअली फॉर आवर लॉकर्स। सो लेट मी शो यू, दीज आर ऑल द लॉकर्स। छोटे छोटे से हैं बट इसमें हमारे मेल्स आते हैं अगर किसी को कुछ आना है। तो जैसे मेरा वाला है ये छोटा सा, इतना सा, इसको मैं खोलूंगा तो दिख जाएगा कि क्या है। तो हम लोग फाइनली अब मेरे अपार्टमेंट के बाहर खड़े हुए हैं। दिस इज द मोमेंट वी ऑल हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर, टू गिव यू अपार्टमेंट टूर व्हिच इज वन बेडरूम अपार्टमेंट इन फ्रेडरिक्टन, कनाडा। This is the living room. We created a partition, but you can put a sofa, TV, a workstation. So there is enough amount of space over here. Yeah. And then we go to kitchen, which is a very important space. Kitchen में हमारे पास we have 5 appliances. So we have oven, stove, chimney, dishwasher, and fridge. Attached to the living room we have some closet space where you can hang your jackets, and then you have another small cabinet which is like an extension for kitchen, and then we go over there. Let me take you to the bedroom. Again, it's a nice, cozy bedroom, good enough for a queen size bed. This is a queen size bed, and still we have a lot of space to walk, and that's to put a study table or put some other things, but still we have a lot of space. We also get a room for closet. I hope you liked this video. I have tried to cover every possible details about the facilities and amenities of this building. and which includes the laundry room, the gymnasium, or the party hall, and the one open space parking which is dedicated to us. So this is all part of the package, and the rent of this apartment, one bedroom apartment, is $1,200 Canadian. And on top of that, I also pay an insurance which comes around $20 to $22 per month, which is something that you have to buy on your own. If you guys are interested in knowing more about the expenses that we have over here, for example, the car expense, or how much it costs us every month for electricity and insurance of car. So there are so many things that happens. And for example, food. So you can, ping me on or comment me down below. I'll try to answer those questions, and maybe in future I'll try to make another video which covers basically all these details. But that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and please share this to anybody who is coming from India to Canada and he's looking for a one bedroom apartment. This video could be very helpful to them. Yeah, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting such videos even in future. Thank you.